Here's a straightforward guide to downloading and installing the Visual C++ Redistributable. If you're experiencing issues with certain apps, this could be the solution. And the best part is, it's a simple, quick process. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, any browser will work. In the search bar, type Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Look for the link to the official Microsoft website. This step is crucial for your system's security, as downloading from a trusted source like Microsoft ensures your safety. Once you're on the Microsoft page, scroll down until you see a list of versions. Find the one labeled 2015 to 2022 and click on the latest supported option. At the top of the page, you'll see a few download options. Most modern computers require the x64 version, so click that to start your download right away. When the download is complete, open your File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. You'll find the installer file there. Double-click it to launch. The setup screen will appear, and all you need to do is agree to the license terms, click Install, and confirm admin permissions if prompted. And just like that, you're done. The installation is swift, taking only a few seconds. Once it's complete, you're all set to install and run the apps you need. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it, or let me know what other tips you'd like to see. Happy installing!